Hey folks, I'm Sia. Today I will add a new key for 2025 Toyota Grivia. Now we need to use K518 Pro OBD communication cable, FP30 cable, the original car key and a Lonsdor smart key to be programmed. Okay, let's do it.
First, we generate the key. Select Special Features. Key Settings. LT30 Smart Key. Select Generate Smart Key. The network is connected. Click OK. Place the LT30 Smart Key in the card slot of the device. Click OK. Select the menu with PCB number 2561. Select 433.58 for 3440 to frequency. OK. Select the second to last menu. Generated successfully. OK. Return to main menu. Then select IMO and remote. Toyota. Select from type. HEPSA key and ACL. Select type 322 years later. 4A. First we back up IMO data. Remove the storage box next to the passenger seat. Connect the FP30 harness to the PEPS case. Remove the storage box. Remove this bezel. Take this apart. It has a buckle on it. Remove these 3 screws from the storage box. Remove these 2 screws. Click OK. The network is connected. OK. The ignition switch is on. Click OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. OK. Data backup was successful. After the data backup is successful, we choose to add Smart Key. Before operation, please make sure the network is connected. OK. Please make sure the battery is fully charged. Make sure to turn on the ignition switch. OK. Select to obtain the 12-bit PIN code by reading the D-flash data. OK. Follow the prompts. OK. Select the file you just backed up. OK. Please check the number of keys. OK. Attach the original car key to the start button. The buzzer goes off. Attach the new key to the start button. 2 buzzers. Operation complete. Turn off the ignition. Check if the key can be used normally. Let's see if the key works. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. Unlock. Lock the car. Remote control is normal. The key is normal. Select Cancel Return.
The new key can be used normally. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spread ahead.